Question 2. Express 1 and 1 over 20 as a decimal. This question is under the topic of fractions and decimals. We know that 1 is a whole number, so we can focus on the fraction 1 over 20. To see this fraction in decimals, we can convert its denominator into 100 for easy computation. In order to get 100, we know that 20 times 5 will give you 100. So, we times 5 to both the numerator and the denominator. And we will derive with the answer of 5 over 100. As such, we know that 5 over 100 is 0.05. Don't forget the whole number. So, 1 plus 0.05 will give you 1.05. Our answer is option 3.